Hello, my name's Jimmy Sneed, and I'm the Managing Director of Critical Facilities for WB Engineers and Consultants. And I just wanted to start by saying we've been talking about the future of nuclear energy in mission critical and data centers, and really in all of the power generation around the country. But many of you have probably read about the NuScale projects, which were the first small modular reactors approved for construction in the US, and they were actually in the process of the design and getting ready to head into construction. And recently they were canceled. So we've had a lot of people come to us and say, you've been talking about the future of nuclear energy and how we need to plan for it, for the small reactors and the micro reactors, and yet here is the first ones approved in the US being canceled. What do you think that means? Is that a death knell for the industry, or what's your opinion? So in our opinion, or in my opinion, I should say, as any industry grows and we learn and we change, there's growing pains and baby steps that we take. And I choose to look at it this way, that yes, it's very expensive. It continues to be very expensive to build these reactors, even on the small scale. And then the whole regulatory process of getting the construction and design and construction approved is still entirely too long. And the people that are the naysayers and the cons against the nuclear industry say, here's another example of, it doesn't matter how big or small these reactors are, we can't afford them, and it just takes too long to build them and get them approved. And I don't choose to see it that way. I choose to see it as, this is going to be more of a wake-up call to these companies that are creating these small reactors and these micro reactors, that they are going to have to streamline this process to make this even more inexpensive to entice people to want to put these in. So the way I look at this, yes, this was a step back. This project's being canceled. But on the other hand, I think I choose to see it as a learning experience that's going to get us to our ultimate goal, which is off of fossil fuels by 2050.